kamay na nandiyan. Nalimit man sila, pero kaisa natin habang we're doing our job para sa ating mga kasal. Okay? Maraming salamat po. And let's smile. Tay-tay. Oh, sige na nga. Okay. Namiss na naman si Pabo. Hindi mo natin na makanta niyan. Oh, lyrics. Ate Tay.
I recall you said that you would never leave me. You told me more, so much more